Oh God, how do I solve this passage? It is so philosophical.
Hello, am I speaking to Darshana?
Hello? Yes?
I'm Kat. I just received your application for CAT 2020.
Yes?
So, do you think you can crack me so easily? Have you prepared the parajumble section? Did you even look into the mensuration problem? Are you even aware of blood relation problem of LRDI section? Which books do you follow? Where do you study?
What? I didn't know these are in CAT. I attend 3 to 4 classes every day. Oh God, what am I supposed to do now?
Oh, well, all I can say, all the best. Goodbye. Hope to see you in 2021. Bye.
Hello? Hello? Cat? Are you there? Oh God, what am I supposed to do now? I don't want to go to 2021. Hello?
Hello, am I talking to Ms. Darshana?
Yes?
My name is Maharashtra CT. I just received your application for Maharashtra CT 2021 exam. Is that correct?
Yes?
Okay. So I just want to know, can you crack me so easily?
What?
Are you aware of what are the various sections in Maharashtra CT? Have you started solving any quant, logical reasoning, or verbal ability problems? Do you know how to solve like triangle related problems? Blood relations, directions test. Do you know what all topics come in logical reasoning and abstract reasoning section? And how good you are in verbal section? Are you aware of what are the various genres of reading comprehension that are being asked? What material are you following? Where are you studying from? Have you joined any particular batch?
What? I did not start preparing for MAHCT as classes are not available in this point of time.
No? Well, thank you so much for applying, Ms. Darshana.
अब क्या करूँ मैं कहाँ से करूँ ये सब
Have fun and enjoy while the rest beat you to it. Okay? Bye.
Hello?
Hello, good morning, ma'am. This is mock test calling. Is this the right time to talk to you?
Yes?
Ma'am, as per our database, you haven't taken any mock tests yet. Do you think you can attain the speed and accuracy on the day of exam?
But mock test starts from next month at my classes. What do I do?
Well, most of the aspirants have already started taking mock tests and they are pretty good at it. Please get on with it. Good day, ma'am. Thank you.
What? Since when did they do? Hello? Hello? Mock test? I'm so drowned. कुछ भी नहीं किया मैंने क्लासेस में भी कुछ नहीं बताए कहाँ से पढ़ाई करूँ How do I crack it?
Hey Darshana, I have heard that CAT, MSCED and MOX have threatened you.
Yes. But how do you know? Who's this?
Well, I rescue aspirants from such viruses. I'm Bhagyashree Ghosh.
I'm hopeless. I don't think I'll be able to do good this year. I do not know where I get all this from.
Well, let us get on with some solutions quickly then. For CAT, there is a new batch going to be started right from the very beginning, just on an academy. It will start on 9th of May and last up to 28th of June. A new batch at an academy, it's named as like CAT 2020 Weekend Evening Crash Course Batch. So you will be guided by top educators of an academy, namely Shashank Rathod sir, Raghavendra Pratap sir and Abhilasha Swaroop ma'am. So it is a batch that is going to help you with your complete CAT preparation, each and every topic. Let us say now, who haunts you? Well, when your every topic will be completed with a lot of practice materials, top qualified educators, then you know that you're already in safe hands. Especially this batch is there just for you, and for there are so many other batches ongoing too. You can even be a part of an academy and read from those batches too. For your MHCT, again no problem at all. Why do you worry a lot? And Unacademy, once again, a new batch is starting just on 9th of May. Its name is Target MH CET 2021 Weekend Batch. You can once again be a part of this batch and know each and everything, each and every topic, each and every syllabus for MHCT can be covered very easily. Again, you get top educators here. You get Patrick D'Souza sir, you get Akash Singh sir, and even I will be a part of this batch, and we all will be guiding you for the MHCET. Since its syllabus is different from the CAT, but still no worries, because now MHCET is also there, separate batches there. Now let us see which MHCET haunts you. Now even you need not even fear the mock test. You know why? Because Unacademy is once again going to be your savior. Why? Mock test, look at the mock test. There is a new mock test called Catalyst, CAT free mock test. So that is going to start on 10th of May and it will last up to 12th of July. Here what will happen is that every Sunday, it's a weekly one. So every Sunday at 10 a.m. you will be taking a mock test, a complete CAT mock test. All the 3 sections will be there. And that's not enough. You will even get educators who will be analyzing those mock tests. So you will see Riya Agarwal ma'am analyzing the DILR section. You will see Praveen Tyagi sir analyzing the quantitative aptitude section, and even I will be helping you to analyze your VRC portion. So not just you are appearing for a mock test, you are even tracking your performance and getting the doubts resolved at the very same day. How's that? So now you have all these at your disposal, just a few clicks away. What do you say now, Darshana?
Oh God, why did I never look into this option? It has all the courses for all the exams and that too under one roof. And I get to choose my own educators with my own preferred timings. No more running around now, ma'am, wasting my time, and I don't even need to go outdoors. This is just the best part. Where were you, ma'am, for so long? Thank you so much for enlightening me with this amazing solution. Now I feel that I can just crack it.
कर दिखा कुछ, क्योंकि तेरे हाथ में करने का अभी मौका तेरे पास में है। करते जा, लड़ते जा, हिम्मत नहीं हार, सबको करके दिखा। क्या तेरा भाई तेरा दोस्त तुझसे बोल रहा, कर दिखा, लड़ के दिखा।